So let's do that. And let's just talk makeup. I love makeup. I hope that you guys love it too. Good morning, everybody. It is the next day and my hair, it was pretty much dry when I went to bed, but not completely dry. Anyway, I got up this morning. It's still a little damp in the back. Got up, got on the treadmill for about 20 minutes, and it's still damp, but it's fine. Okay, so here it is. Here it is. Okay, let's do, I need to stop saying okay. I always say okay. Let's do a little bit of makeup. I was like, what can I talk about? So we'll do a little bit of drugstore makeup, and then we'll go into the office and talk about something else. We'll go into the office and we'll look at the locks, like, you know, like a 360 or whatever. Probably compare them to the past 2 years or so. We'll look and see. We'll do a little comparison of what I like to call my summertime locks, because as I said before, this is probably the only time I'll wear them straight, untouched. So anyway, let's start with this from Trader Joe's. It's just the facial moisturizer. I mix it with the Super Goop Daily Dose, which I'm out and I just ordered some more. Fun fact, if you guys have FSA through your job, like flexible spending account for health products, this is FSA approved. So I get mine from the FSA store. And the FSA store will allow you to put in your FSA credit card information. So it's like, you know, it's approved and it's through the site, because sometimes, you know, you'll order things or you'll buy things and you could think that it's reimbursable and it's not. It never really happens to me though, because I think was it vitamins? I don't know. We tried to get something approved through FSA and they said no. Wait, let me get some earrings. Hold on. It's because earrings make you feel pretty, or they make me feel pretty.
It's pretty.
Maybe we could talk about makeup. I'm doing drugstore makeup. I haven't been wearing a lot of makeup this summer because it's been so hot, but I wanted to put some on today. So let's do that. And let's just talk makeup. I love makeup. I hope that you guys love it too. Doing this CoverGirl, and actually I have another one that I haven't opened so you can see it here, but it's CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus Liquid Liner. So I always start with this. But makeup, yeah, I've been wearing makeup since I was definitely in high school. I don't think I wore foundation, but I wore, mascara. Oh, heavy on the mascara. Okay, there we go. I just had to pause for a second and do the line. So I just do a line at the top across. But yeah, I was heavy on the mascara in high school and on like the lipstick, not too much like a red lipstick, but like actually, I don't know. I gotta go back and look at pictures. I've been out of high school for a long time. But anyway, definitely mascara and lipstick in high school. So we have the Great Lash Maybelline mascara. Y'all know what it is. So I wore that in high school, and then in my early 20s, I think that's when I started experimenting with foundation a little more. And I got some on my eyelid up there, so we'll get that off. But that's when I was into like MAC, because back then MAC was the only one that had, not the only one, but one of the only ones that had colors to match you. And MAC was just cool. Like you would go in the, like it was the thing to go into the MAC store. It was just a thing. And I thought that all the girls and guys that worked in the MAC store were just so cool. Like I love to go in the MAC store. So I started wearing the mascara from MAC. And I got like some foundation, which was probably too heavy to have because MAC is like theater makeup, right? So, but quiet as kept, I still wear it. So hold on, I'm getting a Q-tip so I can get the mascara off my, So I've worn MAC a lot for my foundation. And then recently I started getting into, probably last year, I started getting into drugstore makeup. Probably because I probably watched some videos and people were saying like, this stuff is good and it's comparable to anything else that you might buy. So I started experimenting. I found CoverGirl, what is this? CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation D15 is the color. I go to CVS and I get it, and a lot of times they have coupons. So I started going there and getting my makeup, and I love this stuff, y'all. This stuff is probably what, $10? Now I will still use like good brushes. Like this brush right here is from Bare Minerals, and I love Bare Minerals as well. And I have some brushes from MAC that I use. I'm kind of like looking back here at my makeup case, but I have some brushes from MAC that I use as well. Let me blend this in. Hold on. Okay, I have some brushes from Bare Minerals and MAC. I really haven't used any other brushes before. I just like the way that these are. So CoverGirl foundation is working for me. I also like NYX products. I have the eyebrow pencil that I'll show you guys in a minute. And then I also have oh, this right here. Wait, this is not NYX, so this is CoverGirl. This is the under eye concealer, which is great too. And this is in the color, it says full coverage, it's 872 warm tawny. So I have this, but then I also have e.l.f., which I'll just do right here. This is concealer as well. I don't feel like, because I use my fingers with this and I don't feel like getting my fingers messy right now. So let's just use the e.l.f. and do a few dots right there. And then we will take, this is a brush from Bare Minerals. We'll take that in and kind of just smooth that out. I feel like I always need under eye concealer. Something else that I've loved a lot is that new brand. It's not very new, but I discovered them during the pandemic, and it was Mented. And I know that they have not rebranded, but I think they sold their company, those girls, because it's Black owned, they sold it to another company, which is great for them. That's so good. And so now they've did like a relaunch. I haven't ordered anything, but what I do use every day, is this loose setting powder in medium deep, and I will just put this under my eyes so that I won't get any like what is it, so I won't have black eyes by the end of the day. Literally, if I don't have this on, this powder to catch the mascara, my eyes are black at the end of the day. Okay, so we got that. So we've used e.l.f., we've used Maybelline, we've used CoverGirl. Now let's go in with our eyebrow pencil. And where is it? Hold on, let me find it. Okay, here is the NYX. I showed this the other day on my LTK. If you're not following me on LTK, please do. But this is the micro brow pencil. So I'm gonna go in and do my brows. I always talk about how I over plucked in the 90s. If you are a girl of a certain age, you'll understand what I'm talking about. We just wanted the eyebrows super thin in the 90s. So, and that's what we did, and now I'm paying for it because I wish I had like really thick I wish I had really, really thick eyebrows, but I don't. And I want to get them microbladed. Is that the thing? Yeah, microbladed. But that's a pretty penny. I think that's a few $100s. Everywhere I've looked, it's like a few $100s. So and there's a bit of upkeep with that, right? I don't know. So we're not doing that right now. Okay, let's finish that and I'll come back. Okay, eyebrows are done. So the only expensive item that we have today is the Fenty blush, and it's so good. It's Summertime Wine. This is the only Fenty product that I have, and I absolutely love it. Look, it's almost gone. I'm gonna have to buy some more like yesterday, because this is so good. I love this stuff. I need to try some of her other stuff because I think it's probably a really good brand. So we are gonna do the brush, and we do have to do this with our fingers. And then for the lipstick today, you know what? I haven't really, I'm gonna put some more mascara on. Actually, I'm gonna use, sorry, I'm all over the place. I'm gonna use this CoverGirl mascara over the Maybelline one. I just feel like I can never have enough mascara. So let's do more mascara, and we'll do it on the top so that. So yeah, back to what I was saying about the lipstick. I haven't had a lot of luck with drugstore lipstick. I'm trying to think. The only thing I like is that Tint by CoverGirl, and I talked about that too on my LTK, on my It's a Makeup No Makeup thing that I had. But LTK, not LTK, sorry. Yeah, that one's good. It's a CoverGirl. It's like berry cherryish you or something like that. It's just a tint though. So I will use that like halfway through the workday or whatever, when my lipstick is kind of fading. I'll just put that tint over it because I don't feel like reapplying my makeup sometimes. But I haven't had a lot of luck. All right, what color are we gonna do today? I feel like we should try to do like a pinkish, maybe. Not too pink though. But MAC really is my favorite lipstick brand so far. And also too, they do the recycle thing. So if you take 6 empty items to them, it could be anything. 6 empty MAC items to them, they will give you a free lipstick. So what is this right here? Oh my gosh, I can't see. Okay, I told a story. I actually like, what is this? I actually like the wet, where am I looking? I actually like the Wet n Wild lipstick. This one right here is in the color Cinnamon Spice. So it comes out a little dark, but you can lighten it up. NYX is actually good too. So you know what? Let's do a little, I can't find that other lipstick. Oh, here it is. I was actually wanting to do, nope. Oh, so what I was gonna do is mix Verve from MAC. So we're gonna mix Verve and we're gonna mix Amplify to give us like a cute little pink color. So let's see how that looks. And then we'll go get dressed. Oh, this is probably some red on here. I know it is, that's fine. I could tell. And we might put some of the other one on top. Okay, that's the Verve by MAC. And then let's put a little Amplified on top. Amplified is like, it's almost gone, you can't see, but Amplified is pink. You see that already? Pink. But it's summertime, so why not? But yeah, I love makeup. And I said in another video, oh, is that too pink? What y'all think? I think it works. My husband would prefer that I not wear makeup, but I like it so much. So I'm like, look, I've never been like I'm not gonna wear it like too heavy. Like, to me, this is not heavy. This is like a light beat. I don't do a strong beat. That's just not me. So anyway, okay, let's go into the office. I might change my clothes actually.
Black women do not have long hair. They do not have long natural hair. Black hair does not grow. It does not grow at the same speed as other races of